In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome back in my world class. Today I am here with a new topic which is about fruit and vegetables. Before start learning about this page, I have something to tell you about this topic. Dear students, fruit and vegetables are an important part of our healthy diet and also helps us to protect from many diseases like fever, flu, cough, and from many more diseases. Dear students, fruit and vegetables are a big source of calcium, fiber, vitamin, and minerals, and also a natural source of energy. So please must eat lots of fruit and vegetables to keep your body healthy and strong. Now please have a look on this page. Here we have some fruits and vegetables too, with the places where they grow. At the first one we have a picture of apple tree. As you can see here, apple grows on the tree. Apple grows on the tree. Apple is a fruit. Apple is a fruit. Now look at this picture. Here we have some tomatoes. As you can see in the picture, tomato grows on the plant. Tomato grows on the plant. Tomato is a vegetable. Tomato is a vegetable. Here we have another plant. It is peas. It is peas. As you can see in the picture, peas also grows on the plant. Peas also grows on the plant. Peas is a vegetable. Peas is a vegetable. Now here we have another vegetable. As you can see in the picture, it is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable. Pumpkin is a vegetable. And look at the picture carefully. Pumpkin grows on the vine. Pumpkin grows on the vine. Now look at this picture. Here we have some grapes. Here we have some grapes. Grapes are fruit. Grapes are fruit. Grapes grows on the vine. Grapes grows on the vine. Now look at this picture carefully. Here we have cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. Cabbage is a vegetable. And as you can see here, cabbage grows on the ground. Cabbage grows on the ground. Here we have one more vegetable, which is carrot. Which is carrot. Do you know where does carrot grow? Carrot grows underground. Carrot grows underground. Carrot is a vegetable. Carrot is a vegetable. Good. Now look at this page. Here we have some fruits and vegetables and the places where they grow. First one is grapes. Can you tell me where does grapes grow? On the tree or on the vine? Yes, as we learned recently, grapes grows on the vine. So we will sketch a line from the grapes to the vine. Now look at the next picture. Here we have a mango. Where does mango grows? Yes, mango grows on the tree. So you will sketch a line from the mango to the tree. Mango grows on the tree. Mango grows on the tree. Now here we have carrot. Where does carrot grows? Can you tell me? As I recently told you, carrot grows underground. Carrot grows underground. So we'll sketch a line from the carrot to the underground pig. Now look at this picture. Here we have some berries. Here we have some berries. Do you know where does berries grow? Yes, berries grows in the bushes. Berries grows in the bushes. So you will sketch a line from the berries to the bushes like this. Now again read it after me. Grapes grows on the vine. Mango grows on the tree. Carrot grows underground. Berries grows on the bushes. It's done. Now look at the next page. Here we have another question. Match the fruit to their pips or seed. Now first the question is, what are the pips and what are the seeds? So dear students, seed is the basic part of any plant. We can find the seed inside the fruit when we will cut it. When we will cut it, then we will find the seed from inside. And pips are also a type of seed. As you can see here we have some seed, and pips are also a type of seed. But we can say pips are small seeds, small size of seed. As you can see here we have two normal seeds, and here we have some small seeds. So these small seeds are called pips. These small seeds are called pips. So first one, here we have a mango. Can you tell me which one is the mango seed? Yes, this one. So you will sketch a line from the mango to this seed. Good. Now look at these seeds and these fruits carefully. Which one is orange seed? This one or this one? Yes, this one is orange seeds. So we will sketch a line from the orange to this seed like this. Now here we have watermelon. Look at these seeds carefully. Which one is watermelon seed? This one or this one? Yes, this one is watermelon seed. So we will sketch a line from the watermelon to this seed like this. Here we have peach. Look at these pictures carefully. Which one is peach seed? Yes, this one is peach seed. So we will sketch a line from the peach to the seed like this. These two pages, this one and this one, are also in your homework. I hope you enjoy the lecture and understand it properly. You can collect this homework from Light Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.